Good morning, students. Myself, Chaitra HK, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Today, we are going to have a discussion on Introduction to the Big Data Analytics. So, Introduction to Big Data Analytics, it means that how how useful the big data analytics is and what is the intent of knowing about big data analytics, where the application is, what are the prerequisites of big data analytics, why, what is the purpose of studying the big data analytics, what is the course objective, what is the course outcome, all these informations you'll be knowing. So the main course objective is student will be able to understand Hadoop distributed file system and examine MapReduce programming, explore Hadoop tools and manage Hadoop with Ambari, appraise the role of business intelligence and its application across industries, assess core data mining techniques for data analytics, identify various text mining techniques. So course outcome is student should be able to understand the concepts of HDFS and MapReduce framework, and course outcome 2 is investigate Hadoop related tools for big data analytics and perform the basic Hadoop administration. And course outcome 3 is recognize the role of business intelligence, data warehousing, and visualization in decision making. And course outcome 4 is infer the importance of core data mining techniques for data analytics and then compare and contrast the different text mining techniques. Prerequisite to study this subject is database management system, where students should know the basic concepts of database management system and data models. Data mining and data warehousing, one more subject. These are the prerequisites. Students should know the basics of data mining techniques and storage schemas. So these are the textbooks. The first textbook is Douglas Adlin, Hadoop 2 Quick Start Guide to learn the essentials of big data computing in the Apache Hadoop 2 ecosystem. And textbook 2 is Anil Maheshwari, Data Analytics, first edition, 2017. So first textbook is used to know more about module 1 and module 2, and textbook 2 is for module 3, 4, and 5. So how are the modules divided in this big data analytics? Module 1 is with Hadoop distributed file system, module 2 with essential Hadoop tools, and module 3 with business intelligence concepts, and then module 4 will have decision trees. We have different techniques, and then module 5 will have text mining, social network analysis, web mining, all these topics, all these techniques are put in module 5. So today you are going to know about what has motivated to go with big data analytics, what is the power of big data, and areas of applications of big data. So motivation, the world technological per capita capacity to store information is doubling every 40 months. So relational database management system and the desktop statistics and the visualization packages often have difficulty in handling this big data. So big data, which is a new driver for digital economy and society. So data science is the fourth paradigm. What is the power of big data? Power of big data can bring big values to our life in almost every aspect technologically. Big data is bringing about changes in our lives because it allows diverse and heterogeneous data to be fully integrated and analyzed to help us make decisions. Today, with big data technology, thousands of data from seemingly unrelated areas can help support important decisions. This is the power of big data. So areas and applications of big data is health and well-being, policy making and public opinions, smart cities and more efficient society, new online education models like MOOC and student teacher modeling, robotics and human robot interactions. So these are the main objectives of big data analytics. You can extract the data from multiple sources. You can integrate the data. After that, big data computing and the data management happen. Then we are going to have a data mining and visualization done through. It can be online shopping, smart cities, health, finance, and genetic farming. These are the applications. And for this to manage, we have the privacy and security, and then we have the policies defined for big data analytics. Multidisciplinary big data analytics. The main objective is interdisciplinary, multi-university, multi-team research on heterogeneous scientific and technological big data analytics. Like you have geography, logistics, agriculture, financial, and smart city. You have the applications of big data analytics. So this is the module wise or the session questions. These are the references. Thank you. Hope you'll enjoy studying the subject big data analytics. Thank you.